In this video, we're performing integration of a product using integration by parts. So for this example, we're integrating the function 4x times e to the 2x with respect to x. So the first step is we need to identify which of the two functions is going to be u and which one is going to be the derivative dv dx. So we've got two functions, we have the 4x and we have the e to the 2x. So to identify which one is going to be the choice of u, we can use the Liput rule. So this tells us the priority for the choice of u. The order of priority is logarithms first, then it's inverse trig functions, so inverse sine, inverse cos, inverse tan, then polynomials, then exponential, and then finally the normal trig functions, sine, cos, and tan. So looking at the two functions we have, the 4x is a polynomial function, and the e to the 2x is an exponential function. So in the list, the polynomial appears above the exponential function, so we take u is equal to 4x, and that leaves us with dv dx is equal to e to the 2x. The next step is we differentiate the u and we integrate the dv dx. So differentiating u, we get that du dx is equal to 4, and then integrating dv dx, we get that v is equal to a half e to the 2x. We can now put these into the formula for integration by parts. So that is the integral of u dv dx with respect to x is equal to u times v minus the integral of du dx times v with respect to x. So substituting these in, we get that the integral of 4x e to the 2x dx on the left hand side is equal to u, which is 4x, times v, which is a half e to the 2x, minus the integral of du dx, which is 4, times v, which is a half e to the 2x, and the dx is a part of the formula. So we can simplify this and then perform that final integration to get the answer. To get the 4x times the half is 2x, so the first term is 2x times e to the 2x, minus the integral of 4 times a half e to the 2x with respect to x. So the 4 times a half is 2, so it's the integral of 2 e to the 2x with respect to x. But when we integrate, we divide by the coefficient of the x for the exponential function. So we have to divide by the 2, which will cancel the 2 in the 2e to the 2x, leaving us with just minus e to the 2x plus the integration constant c.